I'm gonna leave for green. He stopped bridging?
Should I still go green?
I got green. Okay, I killed them both. Oh! You're good. Nice. What the hell?
I'm in.
You like never scream. That was so. Hell. Oh, I don't have.
Fuck.
Shit. It's okay. It's okay. I can stall and you can die, and come with a pick. Oh my god, you're just okay? Are you just goated? Wait, I'm here. I killed him. He doesn't know you're behind him. Oh my god. Oh my
No way,
god!
that worked!
Holy hell! Are you clipping? Are you clipping? He just logged. He just logged. Holy hell! Wait, I'll clip that for you. Jesus. What the hell? You spike your drink or something? You need to get drug tested? Like, hello?
Bro, this map is good for me, I swear. Did you spike your drink?
What the hell? Yeah, you spiked your drink, man. Like, hello? That's crazy. Blue zinc. What the hell? Rengoku! Oh my god, I love that guy. I love that character from Demon Slayer.
Is it that loud?
Yeah.
That's alright.
Nice. Keyline pie?
Yes, sir.
The guy burned to death.
Fuck it. Maniac Miner.
Nice.
Oh, fuck. Gray's just annoying. They're not that good, though.
Okay. Shit. Oh my god, man. This guy. I'm the most annoying person alive. Holy hell.
Can someone come blue? Por favor.
Just tell me to go. Drew M. Dude, can you guys type?
Drew M.
I'm playing support right now. Extra protection.
I was literally just thinking that, Aaron. What the fuck? I was like about to say it out loud, and you typed it.
Extra protection.
Extra protection. I'm here.
Oh shit, I got all the beds.
Oh, my saves are still not working. Okay, I need to restart my laptop after this. I think
Okay.
this is like... Or like, what the... I've never had, like... Wait, let me just experiment with this, like... I look so stupid. With the jump skin on and everything, like...
What the fuck? I'm at height limit.
I finally made it.
Oh,
this
Colin,
Steve
please don't
skin
die.
is
Don't
kinda-
die. You can't. Is this guy
I'm
blinking?
definitely dead here.
I think he's
I think
blinking.
he's definitely stealth. I didn't get to see anything, but like... Also, one of them's coming.
Shut the
Oh,
Okay.
He
Nuke?
nuked.
What the fuck?
Like
Okay, I got killed.
B nuke.
Me nuke. Me nuke.
Dude, bro, we're saying like B nuke.
Wait.
But yeah, like literally not even trying to hide it. Like they just fucking blinked on us. I mean, not blinked.
Oh my god. Save yourself. He's fighting that guy. Okay. He's dead. He's so dead. Oh, what?
What do you? Oh!
What a god.
Dude, I actually didn't know cameras were a thing.
Colin! Can you
Yo, how
not?
many guys can fit in one hole?
Colin!
Wait, good question.
Stop! Colin, wait.
Wait, we're
You
stuck.
can't even break it. Help! Get me out of here. I don't want to be stuck with this guy. Are you serious? You can't find. You gotta find
I'm
him for
going to
that.
stage, guys.
Oh,
I'm gonna
thanks, Colin. What the hell? Dude, I actually hate you. I was like, okay, I got a nice block in. Got some fries. Put them in the bag.
Put the fries in the bag, bitch. Okay.
I just die. Put it. That's what you
Og.
are.
Where are you going? What are you doing?
Wait, where am I going?
I
Oh,
don't know. Where's the
yeah.
red guy?
No.
Red, he's in the void.
Colin!
Yo!
Colin! Colin!
Oh
What?
my, already left though.
Are we seeing this?
For once, I wasn't trying to kill you. I was trying to kill Aaron.
Why?
Yo, but I was
Yo.
right here
Yo.
with you.
I may as well have been trying to kill you. Well, you weren't the intention, but you were just part of the collateral. So.
Oh my god.
Oh, they're like replacing it. Wait, hold on. It's open? Endstone open? Okay.
Damn, V, do
Oh,
you have like 2
Christian!
keys? Holy shit.
Huh? What'd you say?
What you say? Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't even like that song. Just,
I don't. That song sucks, man.
have a boat.
Yo.
Wait, I'm
Colin, Colin, no, yo,
what happened?
Colin,
I'm laughing. I'm laughing.
yo, Colin. Wow.
That's funny.
All right.
That is funny.
All right.
Oh my god, that's funny.
All right.
That's funny.
All right. All right. You're so NPC.
Yo, what?
That's funny.
Oh my god.
How did you
That's
get
funny.
that?
I don't know. I had wood tools. So what happened exactly?
We can go to replay for that.
Don't
Okay,
worry
okay.
about it.
No, I think we will worry about it. V.
We'll worry about it later, you know.
Anything related to you,
Oh.
we'll worry about it. Don't worry. We got your back.
Excuse me.
I think.
Oh,
Yeah,
I can tell. Oh my god.
You already know what's gonna
feel
happen.
it in my bones.
Her
Something
reaction was the
nefarious
funniest
is
part.
going to happen.
I was just like faking like this and.
Oh!
Dude, her scream there. and then
Oh
she
my
almost...
god.
No, I think that's just you. Okay, now I'm noticing like, but I can see like.
Dude, can my blocks not start lagging?
Dude, are you
I have
kidding
it, I have it,
me?
I have
Where
it,
does
I have it.
that come from?
This
Die,
guy's
die,
suffocating in a block.
Die, die, die.
She goes, die, die, die.
Holy shit! You're actually under the
That was
water.
impressive.
Thank
That
you,
was
thank you,
impressive.
thank you.
They fireballed
What the fuck?
and
He killed himself.
TNT.
Yeah. Oh, your penis is so
Shit,
thin. I almost
shit,
tick.
shit. Bill Nye shit himself.
Okay.
Oh my god.
I meant this.
This is not a banger. Okay, thanks.
I helped.
Bro.
What the fuck just happened?
Australians, when they need to change their internet IP address.
How'd you change the
VPN.
joke?
Thanks.
I forgot the joke.
Bro, you forgot your best joke.
Wait, I'm gonna. Wait. Wait. Never mind.
What?
V, can you say Gomen Umfchan?
Maybe.
Oh my god, we have this, we have this, we have this. I'm punching him away. Nice. Oh my god, they threw that so hard. That's funny.
Do you want to say this out loud for me?
Mike Crotch. Oh.
You didn't even say
Oh.
it right, and you got yourself off. What the fuck?
Mike Crotch. I just hallucinated another
What is this bridge?
Put me in here!
Oh, then
Put me in, coach!
Say so.
Mike! 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 Mike!
Mike Hawk.
Mike! Mike!
Roccat.
Mike!
Roccat. 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 Roccat.
Okay, I'm mining.
Roccat.
She's mining, she's mining, she's mining, she's mining!
Roccat.
Hey,
I'm coming,
hey.
I'm coming, I'm coming.
I can't put this on YouTube, bro. Sorry. They penetrated me.
Oh. Hey.
Oh.
Hey. Oh. Oh my god, Quin, you're actually dead.
He's dead.
You're actually dead! Oh!
Oh. I'm
Oh.
goated.
Oh.
We low-key gotta go and replay.
Colin! What? Wait, Colin? Oh. Okay. NT. Okay, we can't end on the loss, right, guys? One more game.
Yeah. No. Okay, lock in for real this time, right?
Yeah, we're
right.
locking in
Yeah,
for
yeah,
real
yeah,
this time.
lock
It's not
in,
like
yeah.
we're trying
We're gonna
to lose
stand
every
on
game.
business.
Yeah. You know what else I stand? I stand you, V.
Oh, thanks.
Aww.
She is
Your TikTok is
What the hell?
out. She did not get off.
Wait, I just said I stand you and you just started watching TikTok.
That's like the opposite effect.
Wait. V, lock in. Hello?
No, I'm locking in. We're in the gym.
Okay, wait. Quin is the one that's not locked in right now. Okay, there. Austin
Nice.
Butler.
Austin Butler.
My
Austin
name is
Butler.
Okay.
Yeah,
What?
finally, V actually joined in on something.
Oh.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Okay, V, now
Other
sing
than us playing.
the Demon Slayer opening.
No.
3, 2,
Why
1,
are you so
go!
No.
What's your problem? Get rid of it.
No.
Do you hate women or something?
What? Oh no, I love women.
I also
That's something a woman hater would
Why
say.
don't you say that?
What?
Woman hater.
Women cater.
What?
What? The fuck?
Bro's catering to women.
That's like
Bruce.
that's like
Stop.
awesome.
How many
That like
fucking
sounds
Bibles
awesome.
in a row?
Alright, I guess we can play one more.
One more?
One more?
One more.
But if we
Okay,
lose,
yeah,
we're gonna
yeah.
have to play another one. So.
Yeah,
Oh,
if
that's
we lose, we have to play
unfortunate,
another one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's too bad.
Oh no, we have to play more Bedwars.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Okay, V, now sing the Demon Slayer opening.